Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to watch movies with friends online. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser and click on the search bar. From here, search for 27.xyz and press enter. Once the website loads, you will be redirected to the main page. Now, what you need to do is log in to your account. If you don't already have an account, simply click on Get Started and sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or email. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. From here, go ahead and click on Create Watch Party. Now, if you want to create a watch party, you'll need to give it a name. For example, you can name it Let's Watch, and then select Just Me. After that, you'll enter the watch party room where you'll be the admin and have full control over the room's settings. You can change anything you want here, but you can also leave everything as default and simply close the settings. After that, you'll see different platform options like YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Amazon, and more. Let's say you want to watch a YouTube video together. Simply open YouTube, find the video you want to watch, and copy its link. Once you've copied the URL, go back to the 27.xyz website, paste the link into the provided field, and click Send. As soon as you do that, the video will load and be ready to watch inside your watch party room. Now, to invite your friends, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Copy Link. Send this invite link to your friends, and once they open it, they'll be able to join your room and watch the movie or video with you in real time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can watch movies with friends online. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.